Do you want to do a PhD in Australia at one of the world's top universities with your tuition cover and a living allowance of nearly $40,000 a year? In this video, I'll show you how to apply for the University of Melbourne Urban Biodiversity PhD opportunity for 2027. And yes, international students are welcome. Let's walk you through who qualify, what funding you could receive, and the exact steps to submit your expression of interest. But first, here is what you need to know before you apply. This is a verified University of Melbourne research project, and here is why it is worth your time. First, the funding. If you are selected for a scholarship, you could receive full tuition coverage for up to 4 years, a living allowance of 39,500 Australian dollar per year for up to 3.5 years, plus a relocation grant. That is $2,000 if you are moving from another Australian state, or $3,000 if you are coming from outside Australia. International students also get overseas student health cover. Second, the research. This project looks at how underprivileged communities in city access urban biodiversity. It sits across ecology, human geography, urban planning, and GIS. So if your background is in any of these areas, you could be strong fit. Third, the university. The University of Melbourne is consistently ranked among the top universities globally. Having this on your CV opens doors in academia and beyond. But here is one thing you must understand. Admission to this project does not automatically guarantee a scholarship. Scholarship awards are competitive. I will explain what that means for your application later in this video. Here is what you need to qualify. 1. Academic preparation in a relevant field. The project lists ecology, biodiversity, environmental science, human geography, urban planning, GIS, and spatial analysis as suitable backgrounds. 2. A strong research CV showing your capability. 3. English language proficiency if you are an international applicant. 4. In principal supervisor support. The principal supervisor is Marie C. Dade from the School of Agriculture, Food and Ecosystem Science. You will need to demonstrate clear research alignment with this project. 5. The standard documents, academic transcripts, degree certificates, your CV, a research proposal for 2 referees, and certified English translations if your documents are in another language. Now, here is how to apply step by step. Step 1. Go to official project page. I have linked it below in this video. Review everything carefully before you start. Step 2. Click Submit Expression of Interest on the university page. Enter your email address. You will receive a verification email. Open it and follow the link. Step 3. Complete the expression of interest. This is where you show how your qualification, research experience, and proposed interest match this specific project. Be precise. A generic application will not stand out. Step 4. Obtain in principal supervisor support. This is essential. If the supervisor does not support your application, you will not proceed. Step 5. Prepare and submit the formal graduate research application through the University of Melbourne application portal. The expression of interest alone is not enough. You must complete the full admission process. Step 6. Confirm the automatic scholarship consideration have been added to your application record. The system should do this automatically if you submit an eligible application. Double check it. Step 7. Check if any additional scholarship applications are required separately and submit those before their deadlines. Now, 3 things I need you to be careful about. 1. No project-specific deadline is stated as of now, but the anticipated start date is February 1st, 2027. Submit early. Do not wait. 2. Full funding is not guaranteed. You could receive admission but not scholarship, which means you will be offered a fee paying place. Plan for that possibility. 3. Never pay an unofficial person or agent who claims they can get you selected. There is no such thing. Use only the University of Melbourne official platform. Pro tip: contact the supervisor before you submit your expression of interest. Send a short professional email explaining your research background and why you are interested in this specific project. Supervisor appreciate initiative and it gives you a chance to stand out before the formal process begins. I have put together a checklist with all the documents and steps for this application. Drop Melbourne PhD in the comments and I will send it to you for free. You do not need to be the perfect candidate. You do not need publication in top journals. You just need to show clear research alignment, prepare a strong application, and take the first step. Opportunities like this exist, but only for those who apply. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is looking for PhD opportunities abroad. I will see you in the next video.